Would you like to learn something like this? This is called a word-by-word text. That is today's lesson that I'm going to show you.
They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.
With that being said, with today's tutorial, let's get started. This again is the word-by-word text. Very simple. So here I am in the edit page. As you can tell, down here, if you look to the bottom, you can see that I'm in the edit page. So we'll grab the text plus and stretch it out a little bit. We're going to go over here. We're going to name it. So I'm just going to call it what my business is, OBM Studios, LLC. And you can change the color if you like. Just going to change it to that. It looks like it could be gold. And you can mess with the size if you want. It's up to you. It's completely up to you on how you want it. Then we go in the text area. We right click, we hit follower. Then we go to the Fusion page. You have to click up there to the right. In the Fusion page, make sure you're in tools. As you see up here to the right, there's your color, there's your text. So once you're in tools up here, in the inspector, of course, we want to go to layout, type. We want to change from point to frame. Got that? So now here's the thing. You want to stretch this out a little bit so you can make sure that it covers the whole text that you're messing with. That's one thing we don't want to do. Anything outside of this will not be animated. So then we go up here to the modifier. We go to transform. Then we change from characters to words. Instead of changing each character, like the OBM, it will change each word. It'll animate each word. We go down here to size. So with this, we want to move your keyframe up about 10. Not your keyframe, but your playhead up about 10 frames. We want to keyframe both of those, the X and the Y. Then we go back to 0. We're going to keyframe it again. We're going to key them again. Then we're going to take the X and the Y, drag them all the way down. And let's just see what it looks like so far. You see how all the words jumped up at the same time? So now what we want to do is to have them pop up one by one. And what you do, you go to timing in your inspector. Go to delay. So you can stretch that out to whatever you feel comfortable. You can play with it however you want. So I'm just going, 2.26. We're going to go back to the beginning. Then watch. You see how they pop up one by one. Okay. But now we want to add a little bit more animation to it. So we're going to come down here in our spline, the spline editor. We're going to hit this button right here. It says zoom to fit. We're going to highlight them. Right click. We're going to go in here, ease, out, cubic. So now grab one of these heads. Okay, so in order to get more room in here, hit control. You can scroll down or up to get, then you can push this on your scroller. Then you can grab this right here, move that how you want. Let me bring it a little closer so I can see. And this is going to add a little bounce to it. So I'm going to go back, take it back. You see the little bounce? See how it pops and bounce back? So you can do that however you want, whatever you feel comfortable with. It's completely up to you. It is completely up to you on how you want to do it. You can change this thing any old kind of way. It's up to you. The spline is here at your disposal. So let's see what that looks like. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, yeah, you see how it pops out? Now, I'm not no expert on the Fusion page, but I learned this and I thought it would be pretty good. If you have any questions, you can contact me through my email at obmstudio65@gmail.com. Just hit me up. Let me know. Let me know what would you like to see, or you can leave a comment. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to build this up, trying to build up my business at the same time. So everybody just get at me. Let me know what you think. So let's go look at the edit page right quick and see what it looks like over here on the edit page. Let's go back. So that don't look bad. That don't look bad at all. But look, here's what else we're going to do. We're going to go in generators. We're going to go, let's do this. There we go. So we get the generators, put that on there, and that'll be your little background right there. Just something I'm just showing y'all, just little things you can do. Just little things you can do, and then let's see what this looks like. Remember, you put the text on top and your generator under the text. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Please come again. This is OBM Studios. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.